Friends, hello! You're watching New Generation Airships. Today I'm especially glad to greet you from Novosibirsk, where the largest all-Russian aviation festival, VIVA AVIA, is taking place. I'd like to note an important point. While we went to the Dubai Expo on our own to establish ourselves internationally, this time the organizers invited us. This is especially important as New Generation Airships are being seen as a full part of modern aviation. And of course, our airship NOVA-01 will also be part of this grand event. This is especially symbolic as VIVA AVIA celebrates its 15th anniversary festival and an airship participates for the first time ever. For our team, this is a great honor and another step toward reviving domestic airship building. People come up, take photos, shoot videos, ask questions, and even after flights end, the airship remains one of the festival's top attractions.
The airship stuck with us.
Amazing, truly. I imagine these things flew more often back then. People traveled on them, carried cargo. Very interesting.
You think they have a future?
Why not? All is possible.
I work extensively in the Republic of Sakha, Yakutia, and the airship is the most promising delivery vehicle for remote regions like gold mining areas and remote Ulysses, where there are no proper roads. I wish the guys luck so they can build at least a 50-ton one. We watch the news every day. I think you can do it. You just need to go full throttle. I hope everything works out. I wish you luck.
Thank you. How's the airship?
Cool. Honestly, it's awesome. I absolutely love airships. Actually, for tours, it seems perfect. You could call it an aerial steamship. Seems really cool.
An air goer.
Interest in Aeronova proved truly great. We answered all questions, talked about airships, the project, the future of airship building. It's really heartwarming to see. I'm personally truly glad to be at this event, proudly knowing we had the chance to showcase our technologies and our airship. And of course, I'd like to thank you for continuing to follow and support our project. Thanks everyone, see you next time. Bye!